Hello everybody, it is Aster here and I am joined by Bailey. And we are actually about to get on the airport right now. Or the airplane. We're airport going to Orlando. Could you hold this for me for 1 minute?
Okay. Let me zip my bag because it's
Okay. And so yeah, we are going to board the airplane, I think. Nope, no, actually we're going to the bathroom. Almost the airplane. Slow process.
very slow process.
Yep, definitely a slow process, but we're getting there. So, yeah, I guess since we are going to the bathroom, I'm not going to bring you in there, and I will meet you at the airplane. See you later. Hey guys, we're back, and yes, we're on a plane. Now to show you around the plane.